Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Tube Mint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. That is going to be 5.1.1 on Ubuntu 18.04. But this should work on any operating system, Ubuntu operating system. So let's go ahead and download it and install it. So to download the file, the WordPress, you simply go to wordpress.org and then hit get WordPress, and then here is the WordPress zip downloadable link here button. You simply click on it or simply right click and copy the link address and close it. In case if you clicked on that button, you simply have to locate the downloaded folder and unzip it. We are going to use wget to download the file, WordPress folder, file, whatever you call it. And so if you do not have wget, you simply download it by with this command sudo apt get install wget, and you should be getting this installation done in no time. So now let's go ahead and use it, wget, and then the location of the downloadable file. So it's going to be same for every latest release, WordPress latest release. So if you can remember this URL, perfectly fine. Just hit, and this is going to be somewhere in, let's see where it is. So I should have changed the directory to desktop. So here it is. I'm going to cut it and put it on the desktop. Very simple. Now just right click and extract it. Oh, sorry, extract in the desktop area, and here we have latest. Very simple. Extraction is very easy. So what I did, I clicked on this extract to. If you just click extract here, you would not have to select the location. However, you have the WordPress now, and we need to put this in the right directory for the server. So I'm using Apache. So here we have Apache 2 Ubuntu default page. To download and install Apache or MySQL, I also have MySQL. So I'm going to use my username and password to log into my MySQL, and then the password. In case if you don't have username password created, you simply type sudo MySQL after installing MySQL, and you should have the same, like access to the same MySQL thing. Now here we will go ahead and have a look on the databases. So alrighty, so now let's go ahead and put that WordPress into right Apache directory where it can be executed from. So basically I'm using Nautilus for directory navigation. It's very simple, user friendly. So if you do not have Nautilus, basically you can install it by with this command sudo apt get install Nautilus, and it should be installed in a moment. Because I already have one, it did not take any time. So let's go ahead and launch Nautilus. You will have to start with sudo to have file system access. Sudo nautilus, and here we have. Now you go to file system, then open the var directory, then www directory and html directory. This is where we need to keep the WordPress So simply go ahead and copy it or cut it or drag it over. Now if you want, you can change the name. So I'm going to give it WP5, and let's go ahead and try to install it. So simply launch your browser and type localhost / WordPress 5, and this is asking for database name, username, database username, password, and host. So we will go ahead and create a database. Very simple. We already have MySQL here, so let's go ahead and create one database for it. So after launching your MySQL, you simply want to create a database. So let's go ahead and create one. So create database, and the name of the database WP5. Error, create database WP5. Okay, it already exists. So we will give it name 5.1. So let's go ahead and so WP51. So databases. This is where we have WP51. That's the database we are going to use, and I have a username and password. In case if you don't have, simply type root and no password, but I have one username, so I'm going to type the username and the password as well. The database host is going to be the same, localhost. Prefix can be changed. Now click submit. This doesn't have right to make changes in wp config file. The installation doesn't have permission. Now let's go ahead and give it a permission to make changes. Now I'm going to use terminal, and let's go ahead and give the permissions. Sudo chwon recursive, then it's going to be www.data, and then colon www again data, and then the location where you want to give the permission. So then HTML. I think this is going to help us. So sudo chon -r for recursive permission, then www-data, and then you got colon www-data, and then directory /var/www/html, and press enter. And we are hopefully done. Let's go ahead and check. Run the installation. This is kind of, if you go ahead and start it over, this is what it is going to do for us. You see it's asking for, so same thing. After giving it permission, you simply go ahead and start the process again, so you can see what exactly it's doing. Now let's go ahead and give the same information again. So WP51, that is the database name. My username is this. You can type your username and the password. Leave these two fields as they are and hit submit. Run the installation, and then theme 2019, that's the latest thing here. I'm going to leave the username admin for simplicity and easy to remember. Confirm the weak password, and this is going to be my email address, and install WordPress. You can leave the search engine visibility if it's local installation. Now we have successfully installed WordPress on Ubuntu 18.04. Let's go ahead and log in. So type in the username that you have chosen for this installation and the password, and then hit log in. So this is WordPress 5.1.1 on Ubuntu 18.04. You can go ahead and check if it's working. Let's go ahead and install a plugin. Sometimes you would have issue installing plugins and new themes on WordPress. Local installation, especially on Linux systems, Ubuntu and other distros as well. So I want to make sure that it's working on my system. In case if you have any issue after installation in installing plugins or themes, you can do one thing. You will have to open the where is that command here? Here it is. So basically you will have to go into the installation folder and open the wp config, and then you have to write this, you have to define this code over there and then press and save it, and then restart the Apache server. So to restart Apache server, you simply say sudo systemctl, one word, restart Apache 2, and then you should be able to install the new plugins and themes as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy coding. Bye for now.